How to get a marriage license in California. Getting married in California starts with a simple but important step, getting your marriage license. Both partners must appear together in person at a county clerk's office with valid government-issued photo ID and the required fee. Before you go, decide which license fits your situation. A public marriage license is recorded as a public document and requires at least one witness during your ceremony. A confidential marriage license is private, does not require a witness, and can only be issued if you've been living together as a couple. To save time, most counties allow you to fill out your application online before your appointment. Make sure you bring proper identification, and if you were recently divorced within the last 6 months, bring a certified copy of your divorce decree. At the county clerk's office, you'll appear together, verify your information, pay the fee, and take a short oath. Once approved, you'll receive your license immediately, and it's valid for 90 days anywhere in California. After your ceremony, your officiant must return the signed license to the county clerk within 10 days to make your marriage official and properly recorded.